Hello children, welcome to this English online session. Today we are going to learn about articles. Articles. It is one of the parts of speech in English. Children, do you know what is article? Let's see. What is article? There are two articles in English. The definite article, the, and the indefinite article, a or an. Sometimes nouns require no article at all. This is called the zero article. The articles are a subclass of the determiners. Children, there are two types of article in English. First one, definite article. Another one, indefinite article. Sometimes we can use zero article also. An article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. A, an, and the are called articles. A, an are called indefinite articles. The is called definite article. Children listen. Articles. A, an, the. These three is called as articles. In this articles, there are two types. That is indefinite article, definite article. What are the definite article and indefinite article? A, an is indefinite article. The is a definite article. Indefinite article, we do not know the subject. Definite article, we know the subject. Children, let's see about indefinite articles. Indefinite articles used with nouns to indicate non-specific people, places or things. Definite articles indicates to non-specific people, places or things. What are the indefinite articles? A and an. Let's see the usage of a. Before beginning with the consonant sound, for example, a boy, a bird. Next, before a singular noun beginning, for example, a book, a school, a dog. Even before vowel letters which don't have vowel sound, for example, a European, a unit, a union. Some words start with a vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound. So, we use a before these words too. A university, a uniform, a 1 rupee note. We use a before words that begin with a consonant. A girl, a clock, a lamp. Children listen. Next, usage of an. Before a word beginning with a vowel, for example, an idiot, an apple. Before a word beginning with H but not sounded. For example, an honor, an hour, an honest man. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Example, an orange, an umbrella, an eye. Next one, definite articles. Used with nouns to indicate specific people, places or things. The is used before unique objects. For example, the sun, the sky, the moon. Second one, before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. For example, the Ganges, the Sahara, the Pacific. Third one, before the names of books, for example, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran. Before the superlative degree, for example, the best, the tallest. Before musical instruments, the flute, the violin. Before an adjective to denote a whole class, for example, the old, the rich, the poor. We use the when we know that there is only one of a particular thing. For example, the sky, the world, the North Pole. Okay, children, today we completed types of article. We will meet on next class. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.